subscribe this video.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like our video and share with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel. Guys, I'm so happy today. So I'm dancing, showing off my dancing moves. I don't know how to dance, but I love to dance. Let's say. And I was singing with Rose, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Sorry, I know I don't know how to sing also. I'll go for singing lessons and dancing lessons. So let's go straight to the tutorial. I'm patting her hair and putting it in front of her face, and she hates it. As you can see, I have parted the middle part and also side and side. I'm using this elastic band, rubber band, to style her hair so that it can keep it hold, because Rose hair is very silky. I sometimes find it very difficult to grab her hair, but thanks to the elastic band or elastic rubber, I would say, they are very good and very helpful for this kind of hair. Yeah, sorry. So the side and side, I section her I made 4 sections. So I'll cross crash, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to cross it and make it something like XXXSSX. It's very easy, not so difficult. So I will do the same at the other side. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to grab the other one and add the down one to make it X, like something like this. That's what I mean. And Rose was very helpful. She was giving me the elastic band. So let's show you how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. This is what I mean. I made it XXX. So I already did the left side and also the right side. So the left side cross XX, and then other side also the same. And now I'm going to work at the back side. And at the back side, I'm going to grab the hair and add all the side and side together. Yeah, just make it side and side, make it all one. Just grab them all to make it ponytail, something like this. So guys, after I finish making this ponytail, I'm going to work at the front, and at the front I'm going to do some tiny cornrow there. And she was so tired, she said, and hungry, so my husband brought her banana, and after eating the banana, she was very, very happy again. As you can see, I'm doing cornrow and then twist the end, and then I'll add some finishing touch to it. The finishing touch, that is these beads. I bought them from Afro shop close to our area, and it's very handy with a white pin that you can use it to insert the beads into the hair. It's very, very, very nice. Or the hair into the beads, let's say, something like that. Sorry. And I'm just doing the edges, baby hair, to make it neat and nice. I'm not that good in doing baby hair, but as you can see, it glows nice, neat, fine. This is the finishing look Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you. Bye.
Subscribe. My name is Rose too.